The kitty doesn't like it. Why is that backwards, man? I don't know. Let's see a tall tree. Like this. I don't think I'll go to the top of this tree so tall. And my little drone has limited range. That's it. That's about it. I love that. This is fun. You know what? I guess I'm probably gonna have to buy a rolling one of these days. This one's not bad though. Kind of fun. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get away from the fucking wall. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Did I say a bad word? I'm sorry. Um, cheating the. Well, let's just go up. Solve the problem. Yeah. Heck yeah. How cool is this? So much fun. Drone fun. Fun, 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 fun. I know. Get way up here. And turn this way. I mean, this way. And then go down, look down. What do you see? That's the neighbor's yard. Anyway. Uh-oh, look at the damn tree, honey. Come up. I don't really know where it is. Where is it? Okay, it's pointing at the tree again. Going to go forward to come into my view. Need to go up some. Yes, there it is. Okay. So, no. There we go. Heading into the sun. Heading right for me. When I'm down on the bottom. And you're on the top. That's you, huh? Sunset. Sunset. Fun with drones in my backyard. You don't have to go anywhere. You just sit in a chair in your backyard. Have fun. Fun, 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 fun. Here it comes.